So to start, in alphabet, the letter that starts with the alphabet is letter A. So in alphabet, it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So while in guitar or the music starts with letter C, which is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So, okay, so what is letter C in guitar? So this is letter C in guitar. You can see on the screen how to read the C. Okay, so the next letter is letter D. So you can see in the screen how to do it. Okay, so next is letter E.